Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Ayo and today we'll be getting into beauty maintenance. So I just took out my braid yesterday night because I have a picnic that I'm going to tomorrow, so I just want to get some freshen up done, some mini maintenance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my hair, braid it down, prep my wig for tomorrow, do my nails, fix my lashes. Yeah, it's gonna be a good one. So let's get into it. I got these hair shampoos when I went to Nigeria a couple of months back and I've absolutely been loving them. This one is a Hair Wonder soap nut extract shampoo. It's literally liquid but it foams so much and it really smells, herbally. It smells like herbs and all that stuff. So when I use this one, first time, second time, and then I finish with this one. These shampoos have actually changed my hair game because when I moved to England, obviously the weather was different from where I was coming from, so my hair got so dry. Listen, it was not the best. I wasn't fussed. I wasn't really interested in styling my hair, washing my hair, because even with the shampoos I would get in store, they would not really foam on my hair. They would not really get into it, so my scalp started getting really, really dried. And the water here in England, or I don't know if it's my house or a couple of places that I've used the water, but the water is always hard. So it's really like my hair journey has really been all over the place. My scalp will get so dry and flaky. I even thought at some point, I thought it was dandruff, but when I went to Nigeria in 2023, or was it 24? Yeah, 2024. So I got some shampoos because obviously I knew that growing up I never used to struggle with hair products and all that stuff. I never used to struggle with dry scalp or anything. So I went back to Nigeria, I bought some shampoo, and when I used them here, the difference was so beautiful. So I don't know if it's the water or if it's the products here, but anytime I travel to Nigeria, I always do get a box load of hair products, shampoo, hair butter, oils, and all that good stuff. So yeah, these ones that I got from Nigeria, absolutely love them. Especially this one. I'm looking to get more of this one. Either I go back or find a way to get it shipped down because it was so brilliant. Even with, it was so bad that even with conditioners, I'd put that conditioner in my hair and I just did not like how maybe it was the store-bought conditioners, and obviously because we've got different textures of hairs, so maybe those store-bought conditioners, yeah, they're obviously not working for my own texture. I've got 4C hair, but at least I would think, or you would think, that a conditioner should do what a conditioner should do, but yeah. So I also got this herbal methylated conditioner, and I got other couple of conditioners. So yes, since I invested in these good hair products, honestly, hair wash day has not been a nightmare anymore. Before, I used to dread hair wash day because it would be so difficult to comb through the hair. When I'm taking down the hair, my scalp would hurt so much because it was so dry, and combing the hair, even when using conditioner, used to be an absolute nightmare. So hair wash days weren't really things that I looked forward to, but now I'm washing my hair as frequently as I can because I do enjoy the process. And I recently got this comb from Shein because I saw this girl on TikTok. She's got 4C hair as well. So, and the way she combed her hair out, it was really nice. And so I just got the comb. Although I don't have issues with combing my hair anymore, I just use this tooth comb, but I got this one as well. I decided, let me try something new, and I really loved it. So yes, enough chatting, let's get into it. Look at how easy it is for the hair to come, and my hair doesn't break anymore. I noticed that my hair doesn't break anymore, so it used to break, and I think my scalp is really doing well. It doesn't get dry, it doesn't get flaky, although yes, it does get dehydrated sometimes. So when I put my leave-in conditioner, I can feel that yes, it needed more moisture, but this is way better than it used to be before. To start my shampoo process, I like to go in with this soap nut extract shampoo. I especially love soap nut extract because it's a natural ingredient and it doesn't strip your hair of its natural oils and all the natural bounciness of your hair. It majorly removes excess dirt but preserves the moisture barrier of the hair. I noticed that since I started using this soap nut extract shampoo and the strengthening shampoo, my hair has been strong, I've had less breakage, and then after shampooing I go in with my herbal conditioner as well. I'm done with washing my hair in the bathroom, it's time for my favorite time, which is face care. The first thing I'm doing here in this video is dermaplanning. Well, all I'm doing is just shaving my face. I don't shave my face frequently. I like to do it once every 2 months at least. So as you can see, there's a lot of facial hair on my face here because I've not shaved it off in a while. I noticed that in shaving my face, it really helps my makeup sit nicely without looking too clunky or clumpy underneath my makeup. But one thing I've experienced recently is as soon as I shave my face, give it a couple of days, I then start to break out, but then the breakout doesn't last too long. So I don't know if it has anything to do with shaving the face or if my skin is just purging out. After shaving my face, I go in with a cleanser to wash off the facial oil and the hairs on my face, and today I'm using my annual hard leaf cleanser. After washing my face, I go in with a couple of toners. Today I'm using the Thayer's Witch Hazel toner, and then I'm using the ordinary milk toner. I like those two toners because the Thayer's Witch Hazel toner is an astringent and it's an anti-acne and anti-inflammation toner, and then the ordinary milk toner is a moisturizing, hydrating milky toner. After toners, I then go in with serums. Here I'm using the Mixun serum. It's absolutely good for the skin. Since I started using this serum, my skin has been exceptionally bouncy, giving that glass skin. Can you see that reflection? So by this time, my skin is already getting dry, getting thirsty. So using that serum just restores all that moisture back in the face. And girls, don't forget to get the neck, because I realized that, we put all that product on the face, but sometimes we forget the neck. So please and please don't forget to get your neck. So to finish off with my skincare, I use this barrier repair moisturizer from Pyangyu. Next step for the maintenance would be to blow dry and braid down my hair into cornrows because I'm going to put on a wig later, so I need to braid down my hair. So I use my amla oil, and then I use this amazingly nice leave-in conditioner that just makes my hair soft, because at this point my hair is already shrunken back in. So I use that leave-in conditioner to help me able to style it and manage it properly. Once I put that leave-in conditioner, I can style the hair without it hurting me. I section the hair into 4 pieces, and then I go in with my blow dryer to blow dry the hair, so it's easy for me to braid. And now for my cluster lashes. Girls, since the day I learned how to fix my cluster lashes, I have not looked back. Cluster lashes has been such a game changer for me. They're absolutely easy to do. You can style them anyhow. You can go with your lash map. This one that I use, I get it from Temu and I get it off of Shein. It already comes with the number of eyes, so I don't have to figure out what lash map I need. But it's absolutely beautiful, and I love how you can build up. You can do foxy eyes, you can do dreamy eyes, you can do wispy, you can do full. I just love it, and it's so easy. It's so easy. You can do it one day, take it off the next day, fix another set the next day. And doing all this has really helped me to save a lot of money. I'm not even gonna lie, it's helped me to save a lot of money. I can freestyle, I can flex, I can do whichever style I would like to do, knowing that I can always redo it tomorrow. So that's one plus side of learning how to make my own cluster lashes. So I get this glue that comes with the bond and the seal. So I take the bond, using the wand like a mascara, I apply the glue onto my natural lashes, and then I just take the eyelashes from the pack and just fix it onto my eyes at whatever position that I want to fix it. And then after I'm done, I've gotten the shape that I love, I then go in with the seal to seal the lashes with the glue so everything stays together. And after I seal them, I like to use the tweezer to clamp onto my lashes and the false lashes that I've just fixed to make it last long. I noticed that since I started clamping, the lashes are lasting exceptionally longer. Now we're gonna be styling my wig, and I just like to go with my simple classic Heatless curls, and my go-to style is a blowout curl. So I just section the front. For Heatless curls, you really don't need too much. You just need your curler and you need some water,
because the water helps the hair to stay in that position. This style is absolutely easy to do, and when it comes out, you have the most gorgeous blowout curls. And lastly, I like to save the nails to the end because then I get to do every other thing and then finish off with my nails using these nails that I got from Shein. I think I got it for about £1.20 something. It's a French tip nails and it's got different colors. It's got the light pink, it's got it in the nude. Absolutely easy to do. So the first thing I do is to sandpaper my nails, push back my cuticles, cut off any side cuticles that I've got, and then using my super glue, I just super glue the nails onto my nail bed. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy, and I like to make my maintenance so easy. I don't like too much processes, so I like straightforward, simple and easy to do that. Any day I can do it within 5 to 10 to 15 minutes and I'm done. And that is it for the mini maintenance of this week. With this maintenance that I've done, I really don't need to do too much over the week because my lashes are done, my hair is done, my cornrows are braided, I've got my nails fixed, and it's an absolutely amazing time. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.